just something I do at parties, Rob. And I thought you might be able to work it into the show. You know, most of the English stars are not actors or comedians. They're people who do bird impressions.
Bird impressions?
Now, don't get emotional, buddy. You've been such a swell group. I'd like to give you just a few of the well-known bird calls. But please note, Rob, I do this naturally, in the throat, without the aid of any artificial thing in my mouth at all. All right? A few well-known bird calls. Just a moment, excuse me. Something we haven't heard, you've never heard before. Heard you. Thank you. Thank you. Secondly, it's something just a little different, as we say in the bird world. It's quite an unusual bird, and I think you'll be amused by its sympathy. So, sit tight for the seven-headed sand trap. A little more physical. Thank you. I hope you appreciate the danger in that. Last, but definitely not least, something that is quite unique. In fact, I think I'm the only person in the bird world actually giving this a go. This bird I'm going to do for you now is very, very rare. In fact, it's extinct. But I still do this. Now, please notice, it's a very long impression. Tremendously high. And when I do it, somewhere in town, an air will wake up and say, what was that? So give it a whirl. Absolute silence, please. Sorry, Olaf. It seems Tracy swallowed his natural throat.